What's up everybody? Welcome to the Content Craze. My name is Lissa and today I'm going to talk to you about the top 5 free apps that you can use right now to promote your channel and drive more views to your videos. Promoting your YouTube videos is essential because YouTube is not going to do it for you. In fact, when you post a video on YouTube, YouTube only shows it to a handful of your subscribers. These are the subscribers that watch your videos the most and interact with your videos the most. This is why it's very important to remind your subscribers to turn on notifications so that they will be notified when you post a video. But that's not enough. You need to bring in people from other places. The more people you bring into YouTube and keep there on YouTube, the more YouTube is going to promote your video. So let's get right into the top 5 apps. App number 1, Facebook. Facebook is a phenomenal place to promote your videos. You can post them on your personal Facebook page and have friends and family check out your channel, but what you should be doing is deep diving into your Facebook groups. Now, if you have already niched down your channel and you know who your target audience is, all you have to do is go into the Facebook groups and find the groups that have your target audience. For example, my channel targets small YouTubers and new YouTubers. So I go into the Facebook groups that have small YouTubers and new YouTubers. And when I go into these groups, I don't just drop my video and run out the door. That is not how you're going to get people to your videos. I talk with people, I answer questions, I find out what it is people are struggling with, because that is going to help me know what my target audience wants to see. And if I already have a video on my channel about that, I will ask them if they are interested in seeing it. Once they say yes, then I give them the link to my video. I never just drop my link in somebody's comments or in somebody's post. The reason for this, I want to give my link to the people who are actually going to watch the video. This is a great way to build up your community and have a really strong, solid following. The second app I'm going to talk to you about is Reddit. I absolutely love Reddit and I have some really good, strong ride or die fans from Reddit. And it's the same thing as with Facebook. Go into the subreddits that have to do with your niche. If you're someone who teaches people how to play Fortnite, you're going to want to find a subreddit or a Facebook group of people that are new to Fortnite and don't know what they're doing. This way you can recommend your videos to the people who are actually going to benefit from them. And just like with Facebook, you're going to want to build your community. When somebody posts something on a subreddit that says, hey, guess what? I just got 100 subscribers. Yay, congratulations. Tell them to keep up the good work. This is going to help build your community. Don't make it all about you. The third app I'm going to talk to you about is Instagram. Now, I just created an Instagram account for this channel. I do have a personal Instagram account, but I wanted an Instagram account for this channel because there are so many amazing things you can do on Instagram with your videos. My last video that I posted a little clip of that on Instagram and told people that if they wanted to see more of this video, that they could click on the link in my bio. Now, the link in the bio is the only clickable link on Instagram, so you want to make sure that when you change your video, you change your link. But don't just post about your YouTube channel. Post some silly outtake that happened during one of your filmings, or post a picture. Some of the other cool things you can do with Instagram is you can post on IGTV. You can also do polls, which is something I'm planning on doing. I plan on doing some Q&A style videos coming up, and I can do some polls, and I can do polls on what you guys want to see next and what kind of questions you guys have. And this is a great tool to utilize to help promote your video and help you find out what your audience wants to see. The fourth app I'm going to recommend is TikTok. I know you guys are probably laughing at me because TikTok is for people who are on there dancing and stuff like that. I know a lot of YouTubers who have found a lot of success promoting on TikTok. Again, you can share clips of your videos. You can share little behind the scenes outtakes just like you can on Instagram. And I've had a lot of people tell me that they have gotten a huge following to their YouTube page from TikTok. With Instagram and TikTok, you want to make sure that you're using the right hashtags as well, because that is how people are going to find you. So go through and search, go through the discovery part of these apps and search hashtags that are similar to your niche, so you know which hashtags to add to your videos so that you can have the people find your video that want to see your video. And the fifth app I'm going to recommend is Twitter. Twitter is another really great app to help promote your videos. You can post your videos on Twitter, and it's a really great app for engaging with your community and talking with people that are in the similar niche as you. So there are a lot of amazing apps out there to help you promote your channel, and this is something that you absolutely should be doing to get your videos out there. YouTube's goal is to bring people onto the platform and keep them there. That's how YouTube makes money. So if you help YouTube bring people in from outside sources and you keep them there, YouTube is going to promote your videos. I have a lot of people asking me if it's okay that one of their highest traffic sources is from external, and it is. It's absolutely okay. And I will have a video coming up soon on traffic sources and which ones you should be targeting. But you definitely want to be bringing people in, but you also want to make sure that you're building community on these social media sites and that it's not just promoting your YouTube channel. Don't be afraid to let people get to know you. The more people get to know you, the more they're going to want to follow you on these different platforms. So be yourself, talk to people, make friends, and most importantly, have fun with it. People will know when you're genuinely having fun doing what you do, and they will want to follow you. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please do me a favor and give the video a like and consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you guys next time.